CUBOT BI is an end-to-end business intelligence platform designed for the enterprise. CUBOT is hosted in the cloud and has been since day one. Therefore, queries in CUBOT are designed to be processed on powerful servers, and the tool is accessible through a browser. With CUBOT Explorer, users can explore data that is accessible through them to measures and dimensions. All a user has to do here is to click or drag and drop measures and dimensions to the Explorer canvas to generate a report. Change chart types easily in CUBOT and drill down information hierarchies here as well. Do more with your data by creating filters to your report or export this data to Excel. You can save and share reports with other users or teams that have controlled access to CUBOT to increase the impact of data in your organization. It's that easy really with CUBOT. CUBOT Reports organizes all saved reports and also provides access to shared reports created by other users. These are automatically refreshed as close to real time if required. Users can further interact with filters, and filters that apply to reports reflect below the title of the report. To add a filter, choose the dimension you want to filter. Then add the condition upon which data should be filtered. Filters can be created, edited, as well as deleted. CUBOT Dashboard is intended for consumers of information. These can be managers, executives who may take decisions based on data. Dashboards can be created, or one can add reports to an already existing dashboard. Each tile here represents a saved CUBOT report. Collaborate within your organization with shared reports and dashboards. This way, executives can spend less time creating insights and spend more time analyzing the information. Info boxes with values and growth rates are also easily configurable in CUBOT, and these provide valuable insights to consumers. Change chart types in CUBOT and interact with the visualizations depicted here. Work with the filters in CUBOT Dashboard, or analyze this report further in CUBOT Explorer. CUBOT BI keeps the business informed. Business users can create reports themselves with CUBOT Explorer, or reports can be automated and distributed to departments through CUBOT Reports. And thirdly, with CUBOT Dashboards, one can understand at a glance how the business is doing in order to perform better.